Dream It Do It has had a busy fall, working with innovative students, parents, teachers, and manufacturers to create hands-on experiences for our talented youth. This summer, with the help of our Dream It Do It interns, we opened our Dream It Do It Center, located in the Olean Business Development Building, soon to be named the Lane Building. Thanks to a grant through the Ralph Wilson Foundation and a generous donation from Carol and Jim Stitt, we've been able to create a home for Dream It Do It and our many upcoming programs. After opening the center, we have been able to invite classes from Olean High School to visit the center, learn about upcoming programs, and take projects and supplies back to Olean High School. Dream It Do It 2.0 is an after-school program that introduces teens to the exciting and lucrative careers found right here in Western New York. As part of the Generator Z grant through Ralph Wilson Foundation, students have been meeting with manufacturing professionals, engaging in hands-on activities at the Dream It Do It Center and MTI, touring regional manufacturers, making connections with local professionals, and realizing their own strengths. The culminating activity will be an internship with Dream It Do It over the summer, helping our community and solving problems for our local companies. Heather Lee from WGRZ in Buffalo came to Olean to do a story about our program and meet with Byron Ring, the generator behind Dream It Do It 2.0. Thanks to Bob Sherburne, Dave Swain, Joe Plekas, Chris Kenyon, and many parents, Dream It Do It entered 12 cars into the October Soapbox Derby race in Jamestown, New York. While we did have a few winners, the students enjoyed the teamwork, family support, and most of all, a chance to work in the pit. We've had to be quite creative this year in the delivery of some of our programs. The Dream It Do It 500 has grown even more this year, with 600 kits going out to 11 area schools. These schools have been using the Dream It Do It 500 as a classroom activity. Students have been following our instructional video, building and testing their cars, and will be having their own races in the coming months. Mike Myers from Cutco went out to help the Girls in Manufacturing Club in Cuba, with other manufacturers scheduled to make visits to area schools. We've also made a few videos with some pointers from the experts. We recently started a new program in collaboration with the Greater Olean Area Chamber of Commerce. Erica Dreyer has been visiting our manufacturers, meeting with a team member, and introducing chamber members to virtual manufacturing tours from our Dream It Do It YouTube site. We are getting ready for our Eaton Young Manufacturers Academy in February with a new sled design and more involvement in the schools. Mike Federko's carpentry and construction class at C.A. Bosie's in Belmont is ready to cut, drill, sand, and assemble the kits to be ready for our young manufacturers in February. Finally, Cattaraugus Gives is coming soon, Tuesday, November 30th. Dream It Do It is seeking donations for our Dream It Do It 500 kits, Soapbox Derby, Dream It Do It Center equipment and supplies, and maintaining our Girls in Manufacturing and STEM clubs in our area schools. Please share with your organization or company. Any donations would be greatly appreciated and would help our youth realize their talents and become leaders in our wonderful community.